Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my July Witches Roots box. Smells delicious. Came in this mailer, so let's see what's inside. What do we got? Let's see. You will give birth to something new, something beautiful. An idea manifests, the beginning of a new and wondrous journey. Blessings. So that's pretty exciting. La Natura. This box smells amazing. So here's Psychic Clarity. Put that aside right now. Spearmint. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. I have a spearmint in my yard, and it's my son's plant that he picked, and he just loves the way it smells, and he says, "Mommy, let's water my plant." So cute. He helps me. Well, he helps his daddy too. So here's a spigot. So you know there's an oil in here somewhere, y'all. And here she is. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, Spirit Ritual Body Oil. Let's get a lot of plant matter in there. Ooh, really nice, like kind of fresh scent. Let's check these out. Oh, pretty. I have a ton of these, but this is the only clear quartz one I have. I think I got like a rose quartz in this box before. I got a moonstone in a Anita Apothecary box. So I'm definitely collecting these. I love them. They're great. Here we have spearmint. I think I have this herb, but I'll have to double check. As you can tell by the background noises, it's dinner time for my dogs. But also, as you can tell from the background noise, my kid is asleep. Yes. Usually he's stomping around here like a crazy person. It's like beeswax and spearmint. Yummy, yummy, yum. This incense smells divine. So yummy. Let's see what's in this pretty, pretty box. Aww, beautiful. It's like a very interesting symbol on there. That's really cool. Let's read a little bit more. On our daily journey, we are presented with non-stop emotions, thoughts, barriers, and blockages as we work towards achieving our goal and moving forward. These hectic vibrations can be a hinderer in our ability to maintain focus while trying to recognize signs from our guides and psyche. As we come to a close of our busy day, we tend to bring with us the jumbled energy we had just recently surrounded ourselves with. These energies tend to hurt us during our evening rituals and meditations. With this very special collection, we focus on the practice of clearing away these energies, giving us the ability to tap into our psychic self so that we may grow stronger and more capable, in tune with the divine. So this is really special and meaningful for me because I'm a nurse. And by the time I get home, I am so done with everything and everybody. And that makes it really hard to be a wife and a mom too. So, this is pretty nice. It touches home, especially since with Mercury retrograde, I've just been feeling stretched thin. So spearmint leaf, Spirit Ritual Body Oil. Let's see what it has. It's fractionated coconut oil, and it has spearmint, eucalyptus, and lang lang, spearmint leaf and eucalyptus herbs, and a Lemurian quartz. It also has a little bit of third eye magical oil. The Opened Eye Mini Spell Candle. So that's pretty cool. Strength of Spirit Pendant with Cord. This is pretty cool. Clear Quartz Bracelet. Yes, beautiful. Clearing Ritual Incense. Personalized Oracle Reading. Spirit Oracle Deck. And the Spearmint Herbal Grimoire artwork. Beautiful, guys. I absolutely love this box. This box is only $29 a month. and I have not gotten one yet that I didn't love. They're amazing boxes. This is the Witch's Roots. They're herbal themed boxes. This is July, and July is spearmint. I love it. I'm very excited about the contents and especially the meaning. And I totally intend to use it to help clear my mind during this retrograde season. Let me know what you guys think. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.